Today, global warming and climate change are starting due to the increase in greenhouse gases caused by industrialization. Have you ever heard of the green swan? The economic impact of climate change is called the green swan. Black swan is hard to recognize, the possibility of occurrence unlikely. On the other hand, green swan is certain of occurrence. It has excessively complex chain knock-on. Also, if you can't control it, it will be suffered a lot of damage. KPOWER is a leading company in reducing green swan. It can be circulated biomass to supply steam and thermal energy at the same time by utilizing eco-friendly green energy supply and carbon dioxide reduction technologies. We are actively responding to the carbon neutrality of governments around the world and the Green New Deal project of governments. Recently in Vietnam, there is a climate change crisis caused by severe air pollution. The Vietnamese government announced an environmental policy to establish an air pollution control system in big cities by 2025 to reduce economic damage and loss of life from air pollution. KPOWER is also leading the way in establishing a renewable energy fuel chain to reduce air pollution in Vietnam and reducing coal fuel use. In addition, for stable and continuous fuel supply and business expansion in Vietnam, we have established a holding company called KHT for the supply and stability of fuel supply and fuel prices, which are the core of the fuel chain. Through this, skilled local fuel suppliers and pellet manufacturers, it is laying a stable foundation for building a fuel chain. Shall we figure out KPOWER's business plan for the environment? The first plan is to use wood pellets, fuel for biomass, a new renewable energy approved by the UN. The second plan is to use more than 6 million tons of discarded or neglected chaff, rice husks annually in Vietnam as the main fuel. Third, active investment and R&D. That is to fuel waste-level coffee bean shells, coconuts, etc., to foster. This is the economic profit and job creation effect in Vietnam, and it will lay the foundation for a manufacturing powerhouse. Next, shall we learn more about KPOWER's business? 1. Steam energy supply business. KPOWER provided high-quality steam and built trust in Vietnam through unprecedented business model. Eco-friendly energy subscription economic service from KPOWER provides eco-friendly certification to manufacturing company. It can lead to the enhancement of competitiveness of national and export. 2. CDM business, CER acquisition business. The carbon emission credits issued by UNFCCC when KPOWER invests and replaces coal boilers in each manufacturing company with renewable energy boilers or installs new ones. Carbon emission rights can be secured as owned by KPOWER. 1 unit of 6-ton boiler can obtain about 8,000 tons of carbon credits per year. It can be secured over the next 10 years. KPOWER plans to provide 500 eco-friendly boilers to Vietnam within 5 years and earn the carbon emission credits. 3. Continuous and long-term trust with clients, forming community. Forming a community with clients from various industries, we want to provide a new opportunity to our clients to preferentially and exclusively supply the products produced and handled by whom in target market. KPOWER and clients will delay the green swan and achieve green growth. The Earth's environment warns that disasters are becoming a reality. KPOWER will start from Vietnam, expanding to the country that can convert agriculture and forestry byproducts and waste into resources, such as Cambodia, Laos, Indonesia, and the United States, along with efforts for a sustainable green earth to use agricultural, forestry byproducts, and wastes as resources. We confidently stepped out into the world as a green technology innovative company. We need to recognize and efforts to resolve the seriousness of global warming as soon as possible. Why don't you surmount it with KPOWER?